In the previous session, we discussed about how to score maximum marks in instrumentation. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to answer the questions for instrumentation in end exams. The instrumentation question papers of 2018-17 all will be discussed in this video. Please listen until the end of the video. Let us start the video. Let us discuss the instrumentation April 2017 question and answers. How the questions came from instrumentation subject you can see here. Now again the characteristics from first question, that is 2 marks question, you can see define fidelity, guarantee errors and relative limiting error. Guarantee errors means random errors. Different periodic and non-periodic signals. Define periodic and non-periodic signals. How many sides bands of does FM have? Compare it with AM. Frequency modulation have how many side bands? They ask a question. And different questions from 2 marks you can see here. What are the drawbacks of tuned circuit? That is E. F is the principle of ramp type DVM. Again, the ramp type DVM, they may ask if you draw the block diagram, you will get maximum 2 marks. Differentiate between active and passive transducers. What is active, what is passive transducer? Active transducers does not require power. Passive transducers requires external source. That is a difference. Differentiate between active and passive transducers. Passive transducers requires external source or power. Active transducer does not require. Define gauge factor. Strain gauge, what is the gauge factor? Change in resistance for unit change in length is gauge factor. Define piezoelectric effect. Piezoelectric sensor, what is it uses? Piezoelectric effect. You can see here. What are strain gauges used for pressure measurement? These are the 2 marks questions, and 10 marks questions you can see. Explain instrumental error, instrument errors, limiting errors and fundamental error. Various types of errors they asked. And another one, check the periodicity of cos 0.01 pi n. That is problem they ask. Periodic signal problem they asked. Now coming to unit 3, so unit 2, unit 1, that is write short notes on pulse modulation. Find whether the following signal is periodic or not. Compare FM and PM. Like that, so many questions from unit 2 and 3. Now the answers we are going to discuss now. Coming to unit 4, explain operation of LVDT. LVDT is a linear variable differential transducer, and diagram, it is a transducers consisting of 2 transformers, primary and secondary transformers. Explain with neat figure working of thermocouple. Diagrams are very important for unit transducers. Now question unit 5 you can see. Part A, what are the answers? You can see here. Fidelity. Fidelity, it indicates how faithfully the system reproduces the changes in the input. That is called as fidelity. It is the ability of instrument to produce a wave shape identical to wave shape of input. Guarantee errors. The manufacturers specify accuracy of instruments within certain percentage of full scale reading. These components like resistor, inductor and capacitor are guaranteed to be within a certain percentage of rated value. These are the guarantee errors. Relative limiting error. Next, B is periodic and non-periodic signals. If the periodic, a signal is said to be in the periodic if it repeats the regular intervals, it is a periodic signal. Non-periodic signals does not repeat with regular intervals. How many sides bands have FM? Compare it FM, that is 2 1 marks they have. Side bands and FM is let us discuss that in next session. What are the advantages of angle modulation? These are the advantages, disadvantages. What are the drawback of tuned circuit analyzers? Drawbacks are given 2 marks. This is 2 questions, 2 answers. 2 points are given for drawbacks. What is the principle of ramp type DVM? Linear ramp technique or staircase ramp technique will be used. Active transducer, passive transducer. Active transducers do not require any external source. Passive transducer require any external source. Self-generating type, these are active transducers. Passive transducers do not generate any electrical signal. Define gauge factor. Delta R by R, delta L by L, that is gauge factor. Change in resistance to the change in length is gauge factor. Define piezoelectric. Piezoelectric crystal have the property piezoelectric effect. You can answer 2 marks question answers will be like this. Coming to part B, 10 marks question, that is very important to score maximum marks. Explain instrumental error, limiting error, environmental error. The errors or answers are given. Limiting errors specified in the magnitude of quantity epsilon r equal to epsilon naught by as. Environmental error, these are due to environmental conditions. Check period of the cos 0.015 n is 2b. That question is, they allotted 3 marks. You will get like that. They will divide. Not only like this, they will divide the marks according to the question. Write short notes on pulse modulation, diagram and explanation. Compare FM and PM, that is frequency modulation and phase modulation. With neat sketch, explain direct method of FM generation. With the neat sketch, explain PCM telemetry system 5A, that is pulse code modulation telemetry system. You have to explain 5A. 5B, it is a numerical problem. In an FM system, when audio frequency is 500 Hz and AF voltage, amplitude frequency voltage is, audio frequency voltage is 2.4 volts. The deviation is 4.8 kHz. This is the successive approximation type DVM. Successively we are approximating the value of unknown voltage. The block diagram is important. Explanation 3 marks. Now LVDT, it is 8A. It has 2 windings, primary and secondary have 2 windings. They are divided, they are connected oppositely. The difference voltage will be V1 minus V2. Explanation like this. Next, with neat diagram, explain thermocouple. Thermocouple having 2 metals. Explain the relationship between resistance and temperature. With the neat figure, explain how to measure strain circuit diagram. How to measure the strain, metallic grid pattern. Load cells also we can use to measure strain. Temperature measurement. Temperature measurement, how we are using. This is the about question and answers related to how the marks are allotted for different questions.